These are the coolest 3D printing gaming gadgets you need. Let's get right into it. This first print is an NES Nintendo Switch dock. This print will give your Nintendo Switch that really cool retro vibe. I printed this controller stand in Tin Marie White PETG. Since I printed this on my multicolor snap maker, I printed the support with a PLA interference layer, because PLA doesn't stick to pad G. For this next print I'm using a 3D effects plate. Because prints don't stick that well, I'm cleaning the build plate with Reflecon build plate cleaner. I got this from 3djake.com. This build plate cleaner also makes it easier to remove prints that are really stuck on your print bed. More info is in the description. Those covers I just 3D printed will cover those ugly green RAM sticks in my PC. The black carbon look will now fit the rest of the black PC. Just make sure to turn off your PC while installing this. These Nintendo stands will make for a really cool shelf item in your gaming setup. There are models for almost any console available online. I designed this Nintendo Switch cartridge case myself. All the models are available down in the description. Now we're going to engrave the game cover art onto the case with the X-Tool F2. With this cool tracing feature you can perfectly align the parts. This print turned out way better than I ever imagined. This print really makes it look like my printer got hit by a Minecraft arrow. Did you know that you can 3D print your own custom keycaps? Well, I didn't know that either, so I printed this question mark block from Super Mario and I replaced it with my escape key. You can put this window Pikachu in your PC and it will look like this Pikachu is leaning its head on your window. This last print is a fan cover. I printed this in Spectrum Clear PCTG for a bit more temperature resistance. I learned my lesson for turning my PC off while installing it. Thanks for watching, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.